Right, guys, hey my babies, it's been a while since I did a hair video, like a protective style video. I had to find a protective style worthy of recording and showing you guys, and I finally found one, and it is passion twist. All right, I have done passion twists multiple times, but I never kept them in, or they will always start slipping, and I just never really liked the method. I've tried all the methods. Rubber band method, definitely a no. I have fine hair, it's a no for me. I don't like rubber bands. I don't like using them at all. So basically, a girl found a really good way of doing them, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna share my knowledge with you. These are 40 inches. They mad thick and beautiful and shiny, and they're just really cute. All right, they're cute. It's giving Brad Stoll, it's giving Barbie. So this is my hair. I'm putting some Shine and Jam on all sides of my head, and then I'm also putting it on the length of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna comb it through, and then we're gonna get into the braiding / twisting. All right, so I am combing it through, and if you guys hear a dog barking, my neighbor's dog is like always angry. I don't know what's wrong with him, so he won't shut up, and that ain't gonna stop the show. One monkey don't stop the show. So basically, I just separated the hair. I'm using 5 strands. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a knotless braid. Yeah, starting off with a knotless braid. Want my foundation to be soft, I was about to say soft. I want it to be flat, not bulky. So I am doing a knotless braid, and I'm doing it tight, you dig? So we did 2 plaits over. That's what we're doing now. This is the second one. And now I'm going to go in with the hair, and I'm going to feed that in, and I'm going to braid. Do 1. All right, get your finger, girl, get it together. All right, now we doing 2. Okay, 1, 2. So keep that in mind. Every time you add it in here, you're gonna do 2 plaits, and then you're gonna feed in more. So now I'm adding in the second strand of hair, and yeah, so this is in real time. I didn't speed this portion up so that you guys could really absorb it, because this is a very short tutorial. I wasn't trying to have y'all here all night. 10-15 minutes is more than enough time, so I'm going over 2 more times again. And now I am feeding in the last piece of hair. So I'm adding in 3 strands to keep all of the strands even, and that is so that when I go to separate one of them in 2, that it is, each side is evened out, so yeah, so adding in 3 strands actually gives each section 2 strands. Okay, and now that I went over 2 times, I am going to separate that into 2. And I know y'all see my little face in the mirror back there. It's so that I can see I'm looking in my mirror that's connected to my tripod. So I separated it, and you see I'm twisting clockwise, right? Yeah, that's clockwise. And then I'm gonna reposition myself so that I could get a good grip, and then I'm twisting the other side in the same direction, counterclockwise, and then I'm twisting the entire twist clockwise. That's just gonna lock everything in and make sure that it doesn't unravel. And then I'm loosening up my twisting as I go down. All right, and then when I go feed in another piece of hair, I'm doing the same thing. Yeah, so it's going to be counterclockwise with the strand on the left, counterclockwise with the strand on the right, and then I'm twisting the entire strand clockwise. All right, so basically I fed in 3 strands of hair to start off the braid, which is basically the anchor of the twist. And then once I was done feeding and I did 2 plaits down, I started twisting. Okay, so I go down a little further, and then I do feed it in right here. Okay, and then I'm going to twist down again. All right, so I have 1 more strand to add in. So I've used 4 strands thus far, and I'm going to add in another one and a little bit. So I add in the last one. You guys will be able to see soon how the hair is ending in certain sections, like certain pieces of hair is ending. I'm going to add it in there so that it's still full all the way down, and it adds a little more length, and it helps me attain that 40-inch length. So I am making sure that it is the same length as the lock in the back of my hair. So I'm trying to make sure it's the same length as like my back row, that twist. All right, so yeah, right now I'm just comparing. You kind of can't see because this is a very, very long piece of hair. So as you guys see now, I am twisting it down and twisting it down. All right. All right, so you know, sometimes you gotta use some teeth, child. So I had to, you know, hold the braid in place with my teeth so that I wasn't twisting my roots, and my arms ain't that long. So, you know, I had to be creative. So right now I am going in and I'm just twisting all the way down. You guys see, you twist to the very, very end until you can't twist no more, and it should come out like that. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Ignore my eyes. I hate when I be looking in the camera like this because it's low-key creepy. But basically I am braiding, so 2 plaits you saw. Right now I'm trying to make sure my baby hairs are not in there because it just don't make no sense. They gonna come out and they might break off, and so I just pull them out to avoid that because these are chunky twists. So, you know, plaiting in 2 plaits, you see there, and then I'm gonna add in the next piece of hair right here. Okay, right now I'm having some complications because I'm like, where the hair at? Where the hair at? There we go. Got it. So now I'm braiding over again, and yeah, I'm gonna add in the last piece of hair. And yeah, so also when you're doing this, you want to try to make sure that your hair is tucked in with the other hair. So you want to make sure each of your strands are like kind of blended within the synthetic hair. All right, so now I'm separating it and I am about to start twisting, you know, the counterclockwise thing, and then clockwise for the whole thing. All right, hopefully you guys get the gist. You can watch this over and over again, you know, I will not complain. So yeah, and I know you guys see my nails. There's like 2 green spots on my nails, and it's because I was negligent. I do my own nails, but my nail was lifting and I kind of wasn't paying attention. I had a busy week, and like bacteria started growing underneath. And it's not mold, it's just, I don't know what they want to call it, but technically in the nail salon world, it's not mold, it's just from when the water was sitting and it wasn't drying fast enough. So, you know, I am gonna do my nails and cover that up because ew, and you know, it's my fault because I'm not doing my nails properly that this keeps happening. But I did want to explain to you guys because low-key gross, and I low-key did not want to record this video because of it, but I was like, you know what, it is what it is. I'm only human. But I need to get this content out because I've been like really dragging my feet with the hair videos, and I know you guys love them. So, you know, here it is. Show you guys how I was adding in the hair because it wasn't in frame, but you guys should get the gist. If you don't, then rewatch me doing the first braid. I finished my hair. It took me about 4 hours to do this completely, and now I am just doing my baby hairs, which is like the key to this look for me. Love some laid baby hairs. All right, so I just used some extreme gel, and it's like a watery consistent type of gel, and I'm just using that to like map out where I want my baby hairs to be. And I do this all the time, so it's like it's a piece of cake. They be laying the same way. I wonder if they tired, but it don't really matter because that's how they look good. They look the best when they're laid this way. So after that, I'm gonna go in with the I don't know the name of this gel. It's some pineapple pineapple scented gel. It's true something. I'm gonna put it in the description because I cannot get the name for me right now to save my life. And then I just use that. This is more of a tacky gel. This is what really holds it all in place. And right now I'm doing some flippy thing with my edges because I just feel like it's suiting. right, so after much manipulation, this is how it came out, and I love it. It's so cute. Like, it's just giving. All right, yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing another hair video shortly, probably like in about a month or so, once I'm over this look right here. And it's gonna be nice. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. Hopefully it turns out how I want it to, or I will be considered a liar because you will never see the footage of it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. And I'll catch y'all next time, because y'all know that I'm the DIY queen for some hair videos or whatever you want to see. Comment what you want to see, all of that. Like, help me out, help me help you, you know. Later, guys.